Hi, boys and girls. We're going to talk about transportation. We're going to continue our talk about the train. This is a train. It is a train. What does a train travel on? A train travels on railroad tracks. Your turn. A train travels on... A train travels on land. Your turn. A train goes through a railroad crossing. A train goes through a railroad crossing. Do you remember who gets to stop? Yeah, our cars do. And a train will stop in a train yard. A train will stop in a train yard. A train will stop at a train station. A train will stop in a train station. A train will stop at a platform. A train will stop at a platform. Now, today is all about why is it so important to have a train? Trains are important because they're going to take passengers. They're going to take freight. Maybe we'll have, look at all these passengers. They're waiting on a platform. I have more passengers waiting on a platform with the train there. So you could see the train is lower, the platform is higher. So when we step on the platform, we're at the right height. That's why there's a platform. The platform is for the passengers. And the other thing that trains can take are freight. And sometimes they're these big boxes. And sometimes this side is a train that is a freight train. And this side is a passenger train. I know it's a passenger train because I can see windows. And on this one, I know it's a freight train because I see that it's open and there's something loose inside. I think we'll put up these pictures today to remind us. So we're going to add some passengers. Let's add some people right here, and they're not driving, they're not operating, so they are passengers. P-A-S-S-E-N-G-E-R. So we'll put our passenger picture over by passengers. And the other thing, it goes from here to there, is the freight. And it's important because not all of the materials are made right here by our house, and we want the freight to come to us. So things are made all over the whole world, and sometimes a train will take it from here to there, and sometimes another form of transportation will take it from here to there. We know cars take people from here to there, and we know trucks can take the freight from here to there. So they kind of do some teamwork. F-R-E-I So a train is important because it takes passengers and freight or cargo, both are okay, from here to there. Why is a train important? Because it takes and from to. Yes, good job, my friends. Okay, I'll see you next time.